Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best cover stitch machines for beginners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is SINGER Professional Serger Overlock. It's not only the high quality of this one that's impressive. This durable machine was made for 2 purposes. The first is overcasting to prevent material from fraying at the edge. And the second is making hems that can stretch. The unit provides a broad selection of stitch options for sewing seams, decorative edges, hems, cover hems, rolled hems and more. The machine operates at the excellent speed of stitching, 1,300 stitches per minute. This speed allows you to complete your projects quickly and easily. The easy-to-use features include an automatic tension system. You can simply turn a dial and select the chart to set a tension. The 2, 3, 4, 5 thread capability provides professional finishing every time. It can sew a seam, finish it, and trim excess allowance. This feature will save you a lot of time. Adjustable cutting length and width gives space for creativity. On top of that, the all-purpose serger comes with a bunch of accessories like a serging knife, multifunctional foot, clean pocket, spool caps, and others. Aside from all the advantages, we found that some users complain about the auto tension. They say that sometimes during sewing a few layers of bulky fabrics the machine makes ugly stitches. However, more accomplished sewers praise the unit for its excellent work even with thick and heavy materials, so perhaps, the performance of the machine varies depending on the user's experience. The SINGER company has a good reputation as a reliable manufacturer. With this one, you will add a classy finishing touch to home decor, garments, and other projects of yours. Number 2. Our second best pick is Brother Coverstitch Serger. Despite the affordable price, it offers some features typically found on more expensive cover stitch machines. The model performs a quick looper system for threading. In their reviews, even entry-level sewers admit that threading is easy. The 2, 3, 4 thread capability is perfect for multi-purpose tasks. You can make chain or cover stitches, finishing garments from woven, stretch, heavyweight or lightweight fabrics. The machine sews at 1,100 SPM, which is more than enough for hobbyists. The stitch length is between 2 mm to 4 mm. The width starts at 2 mm and goes up to 4 mm. To adjust the length and width you can simply use the dial. Users mention that there are only 3 drawbacks to this model. The first is thread breaking. It usually happens when a sewer uses a cheap thread. The second is that there is no auto tension release. This rarely causes problems, but for most beginners, it is better to own a model with automatic tension. The third is that the machine has no free arm and that limits the variety of your projects. Aside from these cons, the unit stitches fast and accurately, it is mobile and lightweight. Number 3. Our third best pick is Juki MCS 1500 Cover Stitch Machine. This is a fast and feature-rich machine. The unit offers a stitch speed of 1,350 stitches per minute. With the model, you'll sew more productively and create many garments and home decor items. This cover stitch machine offers 3 needles to create a 3-thread cover stitch and a 4-thread chain stitch. The former is good for stitching side seams and waists. The latter is suitable for simple hems, sleeve cuffs, armholes, and necklines. The next benefit of this industrial sewing machine is the adjustable pressure foot that allows sewing through thick materials. Due to the simple looper design and the automatic threader, the threading is very easy even for beginners. In the reviews, users rarely say that they have troubles with threading the machine with new spools. The unit has the exterior thread cutter with which you can remove unnecessary pieces of thread. According to the reviews, top stitching sometimes becomes difficult because of the lack of a larger throat space. Most of the users claim that it takes a steep learning curve to master the top stitches. Yet after a while, they get along with the feature. Despite these little disadvantages, it stitches well and the result looks just perfect. However, this machine is really a workhorse. It can handle big projects and stitch all day long for many years. In the comments, people praise the device for its steady work without a need for repair. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Janome CoverPro Coverstitch machine. The new model offers the 2-3-4 thread capability instead of the 2-3 thread capability. The CoverPro 1000 CPX was made for heavy-duty projects. It performs 3 types of stitches: triple needle cover stitch, double needle cover stitch, and single chain stitch. The stitch length varies from 1 mm to 6 mm. The unit offers a generous bed space that is convenient for large projects. Due to the long free arm, the device is especially helpful when it comes to finishing off cuffs, waistbands, and sleeves. Another praiseworthy feature is the adjustable presser foot that feeds through even very heavy materials. The accomplished sewers appreciate the seam accuracy, and the novices are happy with the user-friendly design. This brand is worldwide well known for delivering both value and quality. Therefore, there are only a few downsides, including the average stitch speed. The unit performs at 1000 stitches per minute. According to the reviews, some users think that it is not fast enough. The others are very satisfied and have nothing to complain about. Another weak point is that the machine doesn't sew well with a cheap thread. In many reviews, the sewers claim that it skips stitches while penetrating several layers of thick fabric. With a high-quality thread, there are no such problems. The quality of stitching is praiseworthy, and that's why the machine is one of the popular choices for both professionals and beginners. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Janome CoverPro Coverstitch machine. It has the seam tightening system that employs a spring instead of the looper tension dial. It helps to reduce slack in the looper thread. With the seam tightening system, you can easily create a looser stitch on materials that require flexibility and a sturdy, flat, and tight stitch on heavy and thick materials. Unfortunately, the unit has an average stitch speed. The machine is capable of performing only 1000 stitches per minute, which is about 300 SPM less than the previous models. If you sew for your own pleasure and the stitch speed doesn't matter, then this unit will be a good choice. However, if you are interested in creating as many projects as possible, you probably should get a faster model. Another drawback is the manual thread tension adjustment. From the reviews, we learn that some of the beginners have difficulties with the feature. Despite these downsides, the machine has many advantages such as adjustable presser foot that allows working with thick fabrics. Even though it offers only 2 needles, it is high-performing. To sum it up, the machine fills the bill and gets the work done on a professional level. The Janome company is well known for its beginner-friendly technical support and easy-to-follow instruction manuals. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.